If we do everything we can for ourselves with a big picture view of where we fit into the planet, we will be doing everything we can for everything else. And we'll naturally align with that and we'll understand others. And then we're coming from that viewpoint. Because when we speak, we should be letting this flow come through. And, that truth, even if it's a hard truth, it's still truth. And people are still hungry for it. Because that's the only way to get people back on track is to identify the real challenges. People can't be spinning their wheels without, addressing the real challenge. That's way more frustrating than saying, yeah, our species is killing each other and the planet. It's like, let's get that hard truth, because denying it is just like any other thing. And it's addiction 101. It's denying the obvious.